Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Nondie Gods, aka The Gods. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, here we are fat and fabulous. Here we are on a budget, but still fabulous. And I dabble into some lifestyle content via the occasional vlog. So if that's something that's up your alley, please feel free to click the subscribe button and also notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads going forward. Moving on to today's video, guys. Today I'll be doing an AliExpress unboxing slash what I got from AliExpress thus far. I am saying thus far because, as you guys know, I ordered a pair of shoes from AliExpress and little other bits, but unfortunately they have not arrived. So what I'll be doing today is unboxing what I've got. So if that's something that you'd like to see, please stay tuned. I'm sure by now you guys have all heard about AliExpress. I too was intrigued, so I decided to download the app, and this is the first thing that I got, and this took the longest to come. It took about 2 months to come, guys, but I was anticipating that. So it's just a 5 pairs of 5D Mink faux mink lashes, which were $1.06. So I was not complaining, because that converted is about 15 rand, guys. So for 5 pairs of faux mink lashes for 15 rand is a bargain, guys. I'll leave the vendor. So moving on to the main reason you guys are here, especially if you saw my Insta video. I promised you guys this video, so here it is. It's just a white bag, then it's here, guys. Just a little bit on how I got it here. I placed my order on the 31st of August, and my order arrived 10 days later, which was the 9th of August. It was delivered to my door by Aramax, and there were no custom charges. So the price of the wig, I got it on sale, fortunately. I got it for 1,500 rands, and it's usually 1,900 rand, so I had saved myself a whole 400 rand. So here we are. It just came in this box, so I will try and unbox it as best as I can for you guys. And it's upside down. So it just comes with the details on how to take care of the hair. You guys won't be able to see that because of the glare. Then it came with 2 flesh colored wig caps, which I can obviously use and just put foundation to match my skin tone. Then the hair, guys. It just came in this net as well, and it's got some stuffing. Guys, my knowledge when it comes to hair is very rudimentary, so that's why I was very skeptical about doing this video. But I want to plug you guys on some gorgeous curly hair. So let me just take off the net for you guys. So the specs of the hair. I got this hair is a 24-inch water wave, and it is, let me just show you guys quickly. It is pre-plucked. Don't know if you guys will be able to see. And I like the color of this lace as well. It's closer to my skin rather than it being stark white. It's pre-plucked, and I think the knots are bleached because I can't see anything hectic when it comes to knots. And it is a full frontal. But I won't be installing it now, guys, but I'll just try it on for you guys just so you can have a better feel of the hair. So guys, here is the hair straight out of the box. I'm not going to install it now because I want it professionally done, so I need 5 million for that. So because I really don't want to fuck it up, because I don't know how to install a frontal. But I'll just come close to show you guys the frontal, guys. Just look at it. This is, like I said, my knowledge about hair is rudimentary, but for me this works. It really does work. Even the knots aren't as bad and severe as my normal wigs. So, and there's a lot of parting space, guys, and you can part it however you like, but I'll gravitate for a nice swoop over, you know. And in terms of the length, it is a true 24, because when you stretch it out, it goes just under my boobs. Hair is absolutely soft. It smells like chemicals, or doll hair rather. Yeah, it smells like doll hair. If you've ever had a Barbie, that's what it smells like a new toy. But I suppose it's just the stuff they use to treat it. And you can bleach the hair. And yeah, guys, I don't know what more I can say on this wig except Hot Girl Summer is on in a big way, guys. So yeah, here we have it. So guys, when I've had the hair installed, make sure you're following me on my Instagram. It's at Nondie Gods, but I'll leave that in the description box as well. And I will leave the vendor of this hair in the description box as well. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching, guys. I hope I was able to answer most of your questions, but if I might have left something out, please just drop your comment in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer you. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.